Yeah. That's it. I think we're live. I didn't even. Do you know? I'm so rough with this. I didn't even put the
Yeah.
intro on, did I?
Oh no,
We just went straight in, raw into the live. But there you go.
way to be.
There you go. How's everyone doing?
All Gucci.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, let me put some music on. You can tell I've been away for a minute.
Back and we're better.
So what's been? Let's have a look at the charts then. What have you? Because I know Kel, Wilkseed, you're in a trade right now. Do you want to pop your? I'll pop your
Sure,
chart.
yeah.
Go through, and I'll just share this out and put it in the Discord and stuff.
Absolutely.
And we'll see if I don't know if anybody can hear the music.
Yes, there.
Wait, is there? Let's have a look.
My screen isn't sharing right now.
Let me put it on as well. Crypto's also looks good, to be fair. Looks good for a long. On a lot of the cryptos,
Yeah,
Solana, all of that, it looks really, really good for some longs.
Yeah, you talk through your one, Denzel, because
You're.
oh,
Let's go. Yes, I'm looking at DJ. Shared a little setup here not too long ago for some quick sales. Like I do know we have not high impact news in a few minutes, but at 3 o'clock we've got this. Hopefully the outcome matches. Hopefully if it's a negative thing, it should make the price continue to sell. Hopefully, where like since market closed on Friday, we were in a nice uptrend. So for the day, like on a day-to-day basis, I'm just following it as it's going along. So I'm thinking today we're on a nice bearish thing. Although, like as we speak right now, we are kind of like making higher highs, higher low, higher high. So yeah, this sell I'm having, or this sell I'm looking at, pretty much it's an in and out thing where the TP is at a point where price can make a potential higher low in case it wants to continue to go up. So just a nice little quick in and out on the 3 minute. If I quickly jump to 5, I kind of like what I see as well. Moving on up, same shift day. So here it's like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So pretty much at a point where I think that price might just continue to sell for the time being. Just a quick little 1 to 2 basically on that. I haven't really looked at anything else for the day. So personally speaking, for me right now, I kind of like how obviously we got this bullish candle and the bearish one. I think it's called like a tweezer top or something like that. Yeah, like on the 30-minute, nice little pin rejection. So I think that TJ is gonna sell for the day. Like I said, quick in and out, and that's pretty much it. I haven't really looked at anything else right now, so it's just one of those freestyle things. If we can take a look at US30.
What are you lot thinking about Australian? Well, I've just whacked on a chart like the dollar, like the Australian dollar against USD, because I don't know why it was just on my chart, but it just looks like it wants to go long, to be honest.
Yeah.
Looks like the USD is actually pretty strong on the day, no?
EXY 5-minute. Hey. Oh.
Or it's been actually no. Look on the daily, it looks.
Yeah.
It could.
Yeah, I think on a daily for me, kind of broke a little bit of a structure point here.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Like a break retest kind of continuation.
Yeah. Possibly if it just shoots up, hopefully like a nice obvious long target is all the way from here, but it's in August, so it does shoot. It's one of those ones. Just hold that trade for a few weeks. If it does go in that direction. But yeah, it's looking good. Actually,
Fair enough. I'll whack on your chart so you can go through what you're looking at. God, this whole stream is an absolute shred.
Here we go. So
That's my screen, mate. That's my screen. Let's have a look. This got to be yours now. Oh, mate, gonna have to give up. We're back onto Denzel's. Let me see if I can
Denzel's,
sort these out. Give me 2
No
seconds,
worries.
mate. There you go. We'll
go.
do it through the studio instead. You're on now, mate.
All good. Yeah. So DXY, talking about that, I'm on the weekly. What I like about DXY right now is these are the current yearly lows, which was made in, I think, early July. We've swept them, and then I'm eyeing up these 3 or 4 even wicks. Last week didn't quite get up to 98.6, so I'm looking for this week to start bearish, which it has, flip at some point and then come up into these wicks, because even if we are going to continue down, well, the DXY has been very weak this year. I would say because of this big rejection to this low, I would want to see that swept, then see price drop, or either that or test this high. So to start with the DXY, that's what I'd look at. And then Euro USD was very, very close to an entry. Starting on the weekly, because that is usually where I start my analysis. I was selling a lot of the time in this area. The problem with that was we ended up taking out current yearly highs. We swept even this weekly high all the way from, what was this, 2021. After sweeping that though, we really had a weak weekly closure below this high. This was the high that pulled back to create this overall low that we're currently looking at, August low. Prices then at that point, we saw last week come down into this weekly liquidity. Despite not closing below it, we did engulf this low. So I'm looking for a pullback. I believe I've got an entry right here that's about to be tagged in for a sell.
nice.
That's my move for the week. And I'd have to say I'm not as confident on EU as I am on GU. Obviously, I'm in a trade on GU. I'll show you in a minute. But I'm very close to this position. I'm really looking for price to come deeper down. And on the weekly, it makes sense that if this was the pullback that swept this previous low, that failed to then break through these highs, I would like to see price come down into this before we go up. So I'm bearish at the minute, and at this point, looking for previous weekly low to break, come deeper, and that's really my move on EU. My entry is at 520, so we're very, very close to that. It did come within, well, I think it's tagged it. I'll have a look if I've been tagged in or not. Depends. I think price just ran up.
Yeah, we got like a little bit, like on the lower time frames, it looks proper bullish on the day. Like it really wants to come back to that 175.5 level, which is literally just above.
Exactly. Yeah, it's not tagged me in just yet. Probably from GU. I like GU a little bit more. Reason being is, the main reason is this high that we formed. EU's tested that high where we not even got to that high. I'm liking this area for targets at the minute because the weekly has had a huge rejection. We had 3 or 4, maybe even 5 taps to that price level around 135,500. Price is now, last week cleared this low. And this is the important area because this low obviously then failed this high. So either price is going to break this to continue up, or we're looking for further sells pulling back. For me, I'm liking the sells. So on the daily, last week we had this imbalance. The price filled to a T. Really, I got the entry pretty good. Whereas this week, this is a similar area, but the problem with this is we cleared this low. We cleared through it, whereas this low, currently we've not had a candle close through it, and I like that, which means generally with that second tap, we're going to get a deeper pullback. I am looking for previous weekly high to be respected, and really see us come down. So my entry's set for a limit at like 620, which is the weekly imbalance fill.
We'll see. How many screens have you got on? Have you got 2 trading views at the same time?
I've not changed it. Has that changed it now?
Nah. There you go. Now it has.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Alright,
changed.
cool. Yeah. So GU, this was the area that I wanted to see respected for a while. I've been bearish for a long time on GU, and what I'm looking for now, what I was talking about, is this area here, this imbalance on the daily. So my entry's set literally here. Stops above here. So this is my current second position based on this entry last week. So this is my entry last week. Is this move down to this low? So they're my 2 sells at the minute. This one's already currently in profit. This one is not tagged. So they're my moves for this week so far.
Yeah.
With the idea that really we should be coming down because the current yearly high has failed. And I think the pound, to be honest, is looking quite weak at the minute. That's the idea on that.
Well, last week it really like pushed down, didn't it? Like that kind of mean reversion trade at the start of the week would have been. It is the start. It is pretty much the start of the week. So this is setting up for the whole range to see what's going to happen. I reckon we're going to have a continuation maybe on the Dixie. To be fair, the Dixie actually looks primed. Higher level as well.
I think so.
Quite interesting because I think there's a lot of opportunity. We've been raging on a lot of things for a while, so I think now everything's coming in. It'll be interesting to see what's gonna happen.
For sure.
Especially this week, we got NFP.
Yeah.
I feel like when it comes to NFP, like price is always just playing games.
Yeah.
Friday is the big day, guys. Big day.
Yeah, if we're going to see that DXY continue up, we're going to need a good print because the last 2 have been pretty shocking.
Yeah.
No, markets have been they've been interesting the last few months, to be honest. Like the last month and a half, they've been quite interesting. Let's sort this out. So I'm just looking at it just from the same perspective as Denzel was looking at, but I've got all these like EMAs on here as well.
Yeah.
So just for the pure fact that we've come into that area of demand, we've had quite an interest. It's found support, pushed up, retested, done that kind of that head and shoulders type of pattern. If I can actually get this, you got that the head, the shoulder break, and also that level with the EMAs, with a 50 fib and the breaks of structure. So on lower time frame as well, if we go onto a 4 hour, which is not exactly a lower time frame, but you also, what I'd be looking at is also you've got this level here coming in just while New York is open right now. This could turn into quite an interesting wick for a continuation up, to be honest. So that could be a really nice opportunity. I'm gonna be relaxing. I'm not going to be getting into too many trades straight off the bat, but I would be interested into actually taking a long on the dollar. So anything really, probably if I have a look at my watch list, the best would probably be to short EU, to be fair. I think so. Let's have a look. No, EU looks quite strong. We'll see, but I definitely think the dollar is going to push up for the rest of the week.
Because it kind of lines up with Wilski's bias on GU as well.
Exactly,
so
yeah.
Everything's lining up for just that.
Hopefully, yeah. I'm a few pips from getting tagged in EU. It's just a matter of if it's going to pull up in the session or not. Oh, it's tagged me now. I'm tagged.
Oh, it's tagged you in now. Okay, so this is gonna. I think we're gonna have an interesting session because things look like it's actually starting to move just a little bit. Let's have a look. So that's quite fast into level. The thing is, I don't think, and at the moment the momentum's to the downside. Obviously, the momentum's coming into quite a big area, but before this actually does anything, you'd want to see like a little bit of a kind of manipulation play and a little bit of, like a reversal type of pattern before you want to get in, because everything at the moment is just pointing downwards. All the EMAs, everything is pointing downwards. So it might be a little bit early on a lower time frame trade to get into.
Mhm.
What's gold been doing? Wow,
Gosh, continuing up.
mate.
Yeah.
Do you know what? When I was over on holiday, I went down into the Gold District. Denzel, you've been there, haven't you? Down in the Gold District. Have you been to Dubai,
Yes, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
mate? What is the crack in that place? I'm seeing people with like gold bars like that, just trading them, just like there's nothing,
Yeah.
I was just like, that's like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, like just chilling there, If that was in the UK, like gets snatched out your hand, the guy would be down the road in in 5 minutes. You'd never see that. Oh, crazy. But yeah, it just keeps going, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. All-time high right now, right?
Yeah. So what's the game plan of trading all-time highs?
Oh, trend is your friend.
I
Agree.
guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've seen like a few times it says all-time highs, and I'm thinking, you know what? Let me sell. I don't really trade gold, but it's just one of those things. I look at it for like sell positions.
Yeah.
Then whatever I have just doesn't work out. I'm like, you know what? Sometimes just go with the flow. Trend is your friend. It has been a nice. I can see like some nice higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So it can most likely just keep on pushing.
To be fair, a lot of the stuff as well going on in the world, I'm not surprised. Putin looks like he's kicking off again with Trump.
God damn.
So I'm not surprised what's going on. But you're in the EU trade right here, yeah?
Yeah, entries 520.
So 520. Okay, so you've literally just been tagged in.
Nice.
I take it, you're putting your stop up around these areas?
Where's my stop on this? It is at 118372. So I'm a swing trader, so I've got it very, very high up. Covering previous weekly high at the minute.
There's like the watches. Oh yeah, just move the screen, no? Screen recording. Screen share, there you go.
Good now. Yeah. So my position is, set above here. Drop. I want to see this high respected, really, because if we do start pushing up, maybe this was a grab to just continue up to maybe 1.20. My time frames. It has pushed up a lot today, and obviously because I set limits, when it pushes up, the hard thing is accepting that. Usually when you get tagged in, that's at the point at which it's almost going against you. So you've got to be pretty strong to allow it to play out.
Yeah, and there's a lot of momentum currently, but it's like momentum on a Monday as well. It's already up, so I'm with you on this. I reckon the bet's to the downside. Just gotta wait for that kind of that triggering on a lower time frame. It's funny because the way that your trade was, you could probably do the exact same thing on like a 5 minute, and it would work beautifully.
Yeah,
the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I couldn't. I don't have the patience to wait that long. And then imagine, you got your one pip, and then it doesn't go your way.
Oh,
it's happened before. Yeah, it's tough. It's a different way of trading to like intraday. Very, very different. But I do like the big stop loss. Usually, it keeps me sane. Even if I was swing trading and had a 10 pip stop, I'd be very anxious.
Yeah, we got Jatenda back in.
Yes.
That's it. I'm gonna see if we can get into some little trades, man, and just warm up the stream a little bit, make it a little bit interesting. Let's see what the crack is. USD CAD. Let's have a look at that. Doesn't look like it wants to go long anytime soon, to be honest. That is disgusting price action. That. Well, it could have been a really nice sell though, to be fair, but CHF. Yeah, man, I don't think so actually. Look, pound as well, pound Swiss looks all right, to be fair. If I was going to force any trade, that would probably be it.
It's them NFP weeks. It's really hard at the start of the
Yeah,
week.
it could
Where
be a
you're at.
little bit. There you go. We're slowly getting this account back up into break even.
Come on.
How's GJ looking?
GJ, the trade literally just hit TP.
Nice.
Oi, oi, oi.
Just hit TP just there. So I'm just trying to update. Just do a quick little update there. Oh, just a nice little in and out.
Nice and fast. I've got your Discord on there, yeah.
Yeah, just boom. So just one of those ones. Like now, obviously, we've got that higher high. Where is this thing here? So that's like the higher high, the higher low. So price pretty much is sold to where I was anticipating it to go. And from now, it's just like, is it going to continue to sell or what up? But I do think based off like the 30 minutes, it's looking like it's most likely still going to keep going towards the downside. So yeah, we just have to see what's up with this. And if it does, I do think, yeah, it's most likely going to keep going. Like we do have this area down here. Yeah, this area down here, which is about like what? How many pips from where we are now? Another 50 pips, or 56 pips. So yeah, we'll see. Well, I like how the trade just in and out things. So now I can
Fast trades are the best trades.
I cannot relax. While you guys are talking there, I was just low-key kind of sweating because when we first started the call, it was really kind of close to stop loss getting hit, but it's all good now.
Oh,
It's
when
just
that
one of
happens, mate, there is a little bit of thing like the trading gods, man. There is a trading god out there. Sometimes, if you pray hard enough,
Mm.
you'd be surprised what actually happens.
Yeah, so like this is the trade I was talking about on Thursday. Like initially, I was aiming for price to come up here.
Yeah,
We got that nice break. Where were we? Somewhere here, anyways. Yeah. So prices kind of came down. It was all right. Pushed up a little bit. Just marked out this big zone here. Thought I was going to respect it nicely. Well, it's all good. Then yeah, when price just came down, just got tagged out. Got tagged out here at first. I was like, shit. And then you looked at it the next day. I already seen it was already up here on Friday. I was like, oh my god.
man.
Yeah.
It's a
That's
tight
the
stop.
number.
It's quite a tight stop for you, though. Normally, you have bigger stops, bro.
Yeah, it was literally set 6.8 pip stop loss.
Oh, GJ, you
GJ,
mad man.
On Thursday. Last Thursday we had like 5 news events all green. Like green.
Wow.
Green. I was like, yeah, it's a clear buy. Nobody can tell me nothing. So I can reduce the stop loss a little bit. I know where the target is most likely gonna go. Then yeah, that happened. I was like, you know what, F it. As you can see, Friday I didn't even look at the charts. I was like, it is what it is. But today we're back in action, so
Yeah, no, that's
Happy.
live.
Great trade.
Yeah,
So now
really
it's
nice.
till tomorrow, you know.
Yeah. Well, I've just got into that. It's funny because I got into the pound CHF trade.
Yeah.
Getting back warmed up. So again, obviously it's just following all of these EMAs. We've had a break. We have got this level up here. So the stop is probably a little bit too close. But if it's gonna follow this overall trend, then hopefully it's hugging this EMA. Hopefully it starts pushing up. Higher time frame. What's it saying? So higher time frame as well. We've got this like, you can call it a trend line, whatever. But it looks like it's gaining a little bit of a change.
It's very bearish. Very bearish.
What, pound CHF?
Yeah, it looks like it, but it's coming to them lows and it's not broken them on the fall
Yeah.
out. So
Yeah, so
big.
yeah, you're talking about these up here, aren't you?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So just that little bit of momentum is all we kind of need. It's already had quite a bit of a push up on the day, to be fair, by the looks of it. Let's have a look. Yeah, because this was the Asian range. It's broken it and then come back down to retest it. We shall see. We shall see. I'm surprised though, because if gold is normally up, then CHF is normally quite strong.
Well, they got a good correlation, do they?
Yeah, well, normally it's considered one of those like safe haven pairs, isn't it? Safe haven currencies.
Yeah.
Such a boring place though, man. Every time I go there, every time I go to Switzerland, if it's not for like ski or something, I don't understand what is there to do there.
It's expensive as well.
Oh mate, it's like a hot chocolate or a mulled wine. It costs you like your liver, man. You got to start selling every part of your body for that. So 20 euros sometimes just for a mulled wine up there. I know skiing's got expensive these days, man. I remember when I was a kid, you could do it on rough budget. There's no chance you're skiing on a budget anymore.
Damn.
Yeah, I want to go, but I've never done it.
You've never seen
Nah,
skiing's a fun
Yeah.
holiday, man. Yeah, skiing's fun. They got like the après ski as well, which is like afterwards, just everybody just going in, partying, and enjoying themselves after. Then you gotta try and get down the slope after.
break my leg.
With the right people, it's funny.
Imagine.
What's your kind of holiday then, Wilski? You're more like a sun beach.
Yeah, I've done my fair few in Europe. Beach
Yeah.
holidays.
Yeah.
That's my cup of tea.
You did like Iron Apple with the lads and stuff like that.
Done Zante.
Zante.
Yeah, done Tenerife as well. But to
Yeah.
be fair, in the last couple of years, I've just refrained from any significant holiday. I went to Vietnam last year at the end of the year. It's nice.
Yeah.
But in terms of Europe, yeah, I've not really been anywhere in the last couple of years because I've just been trying to make the trading work. So you have to make sacrifices at times.
100%, man. 100. I tell you one place to go that's not. It's not exactly in Europe, but it's super cheap. It's Albania, man. I think with Denzel, didn't we discuss Albania?
Yeah.
Mate, Albania's the place, man.
Good beaches as well.
Beaches are phenomenal, man, and there's nobody on there, and the food is great as well. It's just like it's so close to Italy, and like Italy's just also these days super saturated with like tourists, and it's also just really expensive.
Yeah.
But what about you, Denzel? What's your go-to holiday?
Go to. I think Spain, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, like Spain, Barcelona, the sun. But like now, I'm literally on a chill thing. If that makes more sense. Like before, we party, all of that. But now, out of my sitting on the beach, chilling,
yeah.
top road trip. You know, but I have a vision in my mind. Yeah, let's just say somewhere far away, like Italy. Rent one of those old school like drop top cars.
Ah, no.
I like that.
Like proper James Bond type of thing.
It's not like a motorbike and just
Yeah.
on the coast on a mountain somewhere, just the sun is shining, the wind is blowing, up in a little cafe, just on a chill thing, you know.
Nah, it definitely sounds good.
Mm.
The thing is when you like come back off holiday as well, you just want to go back on another one.
So true.
Yeah.
It's like,
Get the bug.
yeah, you get the blues, man. Just straight holiday blues straight away. Let's have a look at what crypto's doing. Because I looked at Solana as well, and Solana looked like it's primed for a long, off like a weekly time frame.
Yeah.
I want to buy a little bit of bit extra here because we've had that push up, broken the range, and now we're having that kind of retest, and I'm thinking it's going to continue. The only thing is, do I want to be the buyer at the top of the range? It's like you don't know if it's a break and retest until the retest has continued and you're sidelined, and then if you're like buying it right now, then you find out it's actually failed and it's coming back down to the bottom of the range. So I don't know, man. But it looks decent, to be fair.
Yeah.
Bitcoin as well. You can't really go wrong, man.
Still going.
It is. It's just.
Surprising.
It's just doing the same thing as gold, isn't it? Just hugging all of these EMAs. Oh, it's on a weekly as well.
It does look clean though. Just
Yeah.
highs, higher lows.
Yeah. Got obviously that level at 120. That looks like it will get hit, to be fair. Do you guys, you Denzel, you don't dabble in crypto, do you?
Nah.
It's just Wilksy, you do. Yeah.
Nah, I don't.
No, you don't. I'm the only one that dabbles in crypto.
I did, but I lost a little bit, and then years ago, I never went back. Yeah.
Kraken did this put a notice on their app telling people how easy it is to trade perps, like perpetual futures, which is just like super leveraged assets. And I was just looking at it, it was like, I know so many people, including myself, that has lost so much money through perpetual futures, man.
So
They're some of those brokers, man, they are sharky.
yeah, crypto's another ball game, isn't it? Really.
Yeah, 100%. If you get it right, if you're good at trading it, then it's like stocks, innit? It's like equities. If you're good at trading those types of assets, then great. I think I've just got used to trading a ranging asset, so it just goes from one level to the next level and then just comes back, and that's it. We're just trading from ranges to ranges all the time. But there you go. So that's pretty much it. I know this was a quiet one, boys. We got to 5 o'clock. Obviously now we are back. So this is the last session for Wilski, but Denzel and I will be here on Thursday and Friday. Hopefully. Oh wow, NFP.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good one.
Wilski, if you're around, man, come and do an NFP stream.
I'll be there.
Those get wild, man.
Yeah.
Those get quite interesting. That'll be interesting. Maybe we'll try and kick it off on the socials as well. Get a little bit of a NFP buzz going.
Yeah.
All right, nice one, boys, for joining, and everybody will see you at the normal schedule all the rest of this week. Take care. Bye.
Take care. See ya.